Hi guys, good evening and welcome back. So quickly, let us take a look into our Indian market performance. What a carnage performance today, guys. So such an continued downfall in our market, such a continued correction in our markets. So let us take a look into all those things and we'll try to review what are the reasons behind that and what we should do now. So before going to that, let me give a disclaimer that the content we're discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. Without any delay, let us start with the analysis. Today, if you look at our Nifty 50 market, same as let me refresh, let me take the latest. So, today, if you look at our Indian market, it has closed 0.87% down today, 218 points down today, guys. Morning, GIFT Nifty was trading positive, so it was we were expecting the market will be opening positive. So, as expected, it opened positive, but unfortunately, the close of the Indian market is closed negative, guys. So, it opened gap up, so then it came down, so then it went up, so then it continuously came down again, it started going up, guys. So it's a very volatile situation in our market. It's a very volatile kind of a situation. The bloodbath has continued and all the portfolios are negative. Everything is what I mean, everything, all the profits has been erased from the portfolios, right? So let us take a before going to that, let us take a sense of what broad market and sectoral indices are happening. So let me give you the sense or outlook about the broad market and sectoral indices. Nifty 50 is down by 0.87%. Nifty Next 50 is down by 2.33%. Nifty 100 is corrected 1.18%. Nifty 200 is 1.31% down. Nifty 500 is 1.50% down. And the Nifty Mid Cap is 1.55% down. Nifty Mid Cap 100 is 2.01% down. Nifty Small Cap 100 is 2.75% down. And the Nifty Micro Cap is 3.84% down, guys. So all and all, large cap has corrected more than 1% to 2%. In between 1 to 2% it has corrected. But when it comes to mid cap, small cap and micro cap, from 2 to 4% it has corrected. Mid cap and small cap has corrected 2 plus percent, and micro cap has corrected more than 3%, guys. So such a carnage in our market. So today, so the bloodbath has continued. It's a huge bloodbath and it is correcting like anything. So there is no control over in the Indian market as of now. Everything is out of control and it is correcting a lot. So let us review what is the thing and what we have to focus now. So that is what, whenever the correction happens, whenever the crisis happens, so the mid cap, small cap and micro cap are the ones which are going to be affected more when we compared with the large cap. So as of now, seems to be large cap seems to be fine when we compared with mid cap, small cap, and micro cap, guys. So let us take a look into the sectoral indices. Nifty Bank is corrected 1.91% down, and Nifty Auto is 0.46% down. Nifty Financial Services is 1.70% down. Nifty FMCG is 0.55% down. Nifty IT is positive. So even though in this crisis, Nifty IT has performed very good, 0.66% positive. Nifty Media is 3.65% down, and Nifty Metal is 2.24% down. Nifty Pharma is 0.51% down. Nifty PSU Bank is, it is not even in control, 3.31% down, and Nifty Private Bank is 1.82% down. Nifty Realty is 1.13% down. Nifty Consumer Durables is 1.91% down. Nifty Oil and Gas is 2.27% down, guys. All in all the sectors are in the negative territory except the IT. IT is in the marginally positive territory. So let us take into the FIS and DS fund flows. By looking at this fund flows, I think we can predict that what is the reason. So FIS again, they are continue to be a net sellers, 8,293 crores. Then they sold out in the cash segment, and the DS bought 13,000 crores in the cash segment, guys. So one is major huge selling outflow of the FIS. The second thing is the Middle East tensions. So Iran-Israel war, as we all aware of this crisis, the tensions are high in the region after the Israel killed the Hezbollah leader Syed Hussein Nasrullah in Beirut. So followed by increased attacks against the Hezbollah militia in Lebanon and Houthi militia in Yemen. So because of that, they started war has been started. So they are started attacking against Hezbollah militia. So that is the reason it started correcting a lot. So let us quickly take a look into, if you look at the American market performance, they actually they kind of given a muted reaction, not so negative, not so positive. So but our Indian market is correcting a lot, guys. So let us take a look into the global market performance. As of now, US market is mute, as we already discussed. European markets are also positive, seems to be. So if you look at the Asian market, all the markets are like positive, guys. So our Indian market is only like it seems to be getting affected because of this crisis. Hang Seng is Chinese market, so this we can exclude it. But Nikkei Japan is, it is also closed 1.77% up, and all other are also closed positive. So this is one more reason. The second reason is like crude oil prices increase. So that is also one more reason. Escalating the tensions in the Middle East have driven up the crude oil prices, with the Brent crude futures rising more than 1% on Friday, resulting in a substantial week-to-date gain for 10%. So because of this Middle East tensions, so crude oil prices went up. As we all know that it is inversely proportional to our Indian market. So whenever crude oil prices goes up, so obviously our Indian market comes down. So that is all like all this is what the all amalgamation for our Indian market correction today. FIS fund flow, Middle East tensions, and the crude oil prices, and like that's a global market. Qs are also not that much affecting because of these three reasons. Our Indian market is correcting like anything else. If you look at 1 month performance, it is already like corrected more than 0.56%. Look at 5 days performance, it has corrected like 4.87%. If I like take a look into the high, it has already corrected like 6%, guys. So in the index level, 6% correction is huge, 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 huge correction. If you look at mid cap and small cap, they might have corrected like more than 10%, I believe. So this is huge correction. So what we have to do in this case, so we have to be cautious, and we have to like keep the strategy called as wait and watch policy. So we will wait with the cash for some time. So let it correct or let it consolidate at certain point. So then it started bouncing back. So from there we can like study the fundamentals. Then we can take the decisions as we are like approaching towards the Q2 result season. So that is also there, and back to back series of events are there after this Middle East tensions. So these Q2 results are also there. Be careful and be cautious. So as per me, what I would recommend is wait and watch policy is the best policy. So you please take your own decision or take your own call, guys. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much. If you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you.